If you would have told me 10 years ago that I was about to tell you what I'm going to tell you, I would have laughed in your face. Like little old me in my dorm room. I'm really thinking about starting, like I have a blog. Buying the domain for Happily Dressed for the very first time. Right now the name is in the works, but I call it like Dress Happily. Okay, now I told you before, dressed happily, but happily dressed, I can't even say it. Did not see any of this coming. And frankly, I fought it for as long as I could. Drum roll, please. I am starting a fashion brand. In my 10 years of Happily Dressed, yes, 10 years, it's the #1 question I get. Do you sell your clothes? Can I buy this from you? Now, if you have the time, I'd love to tell you how I came to this monumental decision. Now do me a favor, go grab your coffee, grab your tea, your breakfast, lunch, dinner, whenever you're watching this. Sit, relax. I promise I won't talk for too long. Now, a big reason I did not want to sell the clothes I've made through Happily Dressed is because all the clothes I made under Happily Dressed were to help aid in finding my individuality, my confidence, and kind of shaping how I want to present to the world. I do not want a copy and paste version of me. Well, I have a twin, so I sort of have one. It's actually the antithesis to my goal of Happily Dressed, to see people out wearing the same exact thing that I make every single day. And that's when I chose to create sewing patterns, because even though we'd have the same bones and original shape of a garment, the sewer can infuse their own personality by their fabric choice, by their artistic choices, etc. Patterns allow me to share what I love without compromising the essence of me that I put into the clothes that I make here over at Happily Dressed. In 2018, I said I wasn't gonna make real clothes. In 2022, I said I wasn't gonna teach sewing lessons because it was too much work. And in 2024, I almost did not put out the half-pint harness. What's insane is that all 3 of these things I said no to ended up really working out in my favor. I literally get to make clothes for the internet. Doing sewing lessons for a whole year in Atlanta is how I paid for my pattern drafting course, which allows me to sell sewing patterns with Happily Dressed. And like I said before, making the half-pint harness changed the trajectory of not only my career, but my sewing pattern business. Each of these things also brought me joy, money, and personal achievement. So I had to think to myself, what else was I holding myself back from? If I'm gonna make clothes for the public to like wear and sport, it won't be Happily Dressed. Or the brand won't be Happily Dressed, because Happily Dressed is a lifestyle. Happily Dressed is me. Like Happily Dressed and Brandon Hayden are very synonymous. So once I decided I wanted to be separate, all these ideas came flooding in, these images of what I wanted to make. I can tell you it will be a workwear inspired brand. I love workwear. I love the spirit of workwear. I love the energy of workwear. I think that's pretty prevalent in all the designs I've made so far. But am I scared? Yes. Am I ready? Oh, I hope so. And do I know what I'm doing? Not a damn clue. But I'm bringing you guys along for the ride as I figure it out. Well, Brandon, since you figured it all out, what's the name of your new brand? Next week, we'll get all into that. Talk soon.